Domino XL jointer offers maximum joint stability with the complete accessory system built around it that allows for fast, accurate jointing possibilities. The Domino system unites the precision of a round dowel, flexibility of a traditional flat biscuit with the strength of solid timber for a perfect solution for joining applications. You can use the Festool Domino XL to effectively process dowels of up to a size of 14 by 140mm for maximum joint stability. For clean and accurate working, the Domino XL can be used with a dust extractor and a 27mm hose connection. One of the main time-saving advantages of working with the Domino arises from working without complicated measuring or marking out. The Domino is designed with precise positioning stop options that allow for fast and flexible positioning of the mortise cut. A further advantage is the ability to process accurate joints in round and narrow timbers, as well as where accurate spacing of repeatable holes is required. When working with applications that may need to be disconnected, the Domino 700 connectors, combined with standard dominoes, can be used to keep the joint strong and stable. The DF700 has a large system of accessories built around it to make previous time-consuming applications quick and easy.